So today we are going to cover creating lists. Before I'm going to cover the section dealing with images, I'd like to cover this list creation because then we'll be able to complete this web page that we are viewing right now. So coming back to the code which we wrote in the last class. So guys, over here, if you remember, in the A tag we used two attributes, href and target. Sometimes multiple attributes can be used in an HTML tag and they can have their own values. Like target has a value of blank, which is written in inverted commas, and href had a value of this path, which is written in inverted commas again. So the value is always written in inverted commas. There has to be a space between the value of the previous attribute and the next attribute by which the browser understands that this is a different attribute. So guys, we'll go ahead and start creating a list now. So to create a list, we need to begin with the UL tag. I'll do it after the BR tag. So UL tag marks the start of a list, and I'll close this UL tag over here. Under the UL tag, so basically this just tells the browser that a list is about to begin. As you can see, this entire list is under a UL tag. To write different elements of the UL tag, such as over here an element or a bullet point, is using tools in Chrome. This has to be written in a LI tag. So we'll write over here using tools in Chrome. And I'll close the LI tag. So as you can see over here guys, what we have done is we started a list with a UL tag and then we wrote the first point or the first list element using the LI tag. Now going ahead, we'll complete the list. I'll just copy paste some LI tags over here as a placeholder for entering the content for them. Okay. And now I'll just copy paste them from here. We're short of one LI tag, and I copy pasted the same thing there, so I'll remove it. I'm replacing the dealing with images, which has been written twice, with creating lists, and the last element is making table. Okay guys, so I've saved the file. I'll go and refresh it now, and as you can see, the entire list of this page, which was mentioned over here, has appeared on the page that we have created right now as well. So I hope you understand how to write a list now. For our purpose, I'll just complete this page now. I'll remove the BR tag because that is quite not required. It was just mentioned for demonstration purposes in the last lecture. So I'll refresh it again, and we have a complete working list with us now. Guys, the files that we are creating in each lecture, I'm adding those in the resources section, or I'm providing the links to these files so you can refer them by downloading them on your own laptop as well. So I'll end this lecture over here. In the next lecture, we'll understand how to deal with images. See you soon.